In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get Calendly AP Key, 5 minutes. By the end, you'll have a personal access token you can use to connect Calendly to your apps, workflows, or integrations. An API key is like a secure pass that lets trusted tools talk to your Calendly account, so treat it like a password and keep it private. Start by opening your browser and heading to calendly.com. On the homepage, select Login. Enter your email address and click Continue. Then type your password and continue again. If your organization uses single sign-on or two-factor authentication, follow those prompts as they appear. Once you're in, you'll land on the Calendly home area. From the main navigation, look for Integrations and Apps. This is where Calendly lists official integrations and developer options. Open it, then choose API and webhooks. This section is specifically for developers and power users, and it's where you'll manage personal access tokens. Click Get a Token Now. Calendly may show an overview explaining how tokens work. Proceed by clicking Continue. You'll be asked to give your token a name. Use something descriptive so you can recognize it later, like the name of the app or project you're connecting. Clear names make it easier to audit or revoke tokens in the future. Next, click Create Token. For security, Calendly will send a verification code to your email. Open your inbox, find the message from Calendly, and enter the code to verify. This step confirms it's really you creating the token. After verification, Calendly will display your new API token. Click Copy Token to save it to your clipboard. Important, you typically only see the full token once right now. Paste it somewhere secure immediately, ideally a password manager or a safe environment variable in your application setup. Do not share this token publicly and never commit it to source control. If you believe it's been exposed, return to this page later and revoke it, then create a new one. When you've copied and safely stored the token, click Close to finish. You can always come back to the API and webhooks area to view active tokens, rename them, or revoke access if you no longer need a connection. That's it. You've logged in, navigated to integrations and apps, opened API and webhooks, created and verified your token, copied it securely, and closed out. Use this token in your tools as instructed by their setup guides, and remember to keep it safe.